Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the right ear cup cushion and exposing the plastic plate. Pry gently and work around the seam until it pops free. Once done, remove the screws with a small Phillips and place them in a labeled tray so nothing gets lost. Now visually inspect the ribbon cables and connector pins for kinks, corrosion, or detached solder. This is why you open the cup, to find the fault rather than guess at it. You'll reflow any suspect solder joints using a low-temperature iron and a bit of flux to ensure a clean connection. Take your time and avoid bridging contacts. Next, swap a damaged ribbon cable or driver with an OEM or verified compatible replacement, aligning the contacts before securing. Then test continuity across speaker leads and switches with a multimeter, if readings are stable. Secure fragile cables with Captain tape or a tiny dab of hot glue so movement won't break the repair. You reassemble by reversing the disassembly steps. Align the plate, replace screws hand tight. Don't over-tighten, and snap the cushion back on. Once assembled, perform a firmware reset, pair via Bluetooth, and check active noise canceling, microphone, and audio across volumes to confirm functionality. If something still fails, make sure to re-examine the solder joints and connector seating. Intermittent faults often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.